Hi friends, today we're going to be taking some simple picture frames and we're going to be adding our own charm and whimsy and character. These frames make great gifts or just keep them somewhere in your own home. If you enjoy seasonal crafts, recipes, and themed parties, make sure you subscribe. My name is Bethany and this is Joyful Habits. One thing I've realized is definitely a sign of spring is when you wake up in the morning and you hear birds singing. And you don't realize how long it's been since you've heard birds singing in the morning until you wake up and hear birds singing in the morning. And with that being said, today's craft project is not really spring specific, which I know is not usually what happens on this channel. I'm usually very themed when it comes to the seasons, but this craft could be spring. It could be any season really, so it's something that I kind of just wanted to do, and we're just gonna pretend it's a spring project because it's springtime and that's when I want to make this, so yeah. What I'm doing here is I thought it looked pretty having the wooden frame around the flowers, and it was giving me some ideas for future craft videos. These wooden frames, I'll have them linked in the description box below. I found them as a pack of 10 on Amazon, and I really like them. They're pretty sturdy. They were not too expensive. The insert is plastic though, instead of glass, so if that's something you care about, you may want to search around for something else. But I thought these would work well for some fun DIY frames I've wanted to make. Honestly, I have so many ideas, so don't be surprised if in the future you see a few more frame decorating videos. One thing I do want to mention, if you do get these frames, I noticed in some of the reviews that people were mad about the recycling symbol being in the middle of the frame. But it really doesn't matter because the recycling symbol is on a thin protective sheet of plastic that you're supposed to peel off. And I guess some people didn't realize that. So yeah, if you get these frames, there's a protective sleeve on each side that you have to peel off. So if you don't see it, right away, if it's not very obvious, just kind of keep peeling at the corner and eventually it will come up. But honestly, I didn't have any issues at all. They came right off and yeah. So the first frame, we're using these wooden looking buttons. I'll have these linked below as well. I wasn't exactly sure how this was going to come together, but I knew I wanted it to look haphazard, if that makes sense. Sort of like the buttons are all spilling over each other. And I burned myself. Of course I did. I had the dumb idea to put the glue on the button first instead of on the frame, and the button slipped. It stuck right to the palm of my thumb, and because it was glued to me, I couldn't get it off right away, so it definitely had some time to burn and did some damage. It burned me so bad it ended up leaving a blister that hurt for a whole week, so just a reminder, if you're using a hot glue gun, don't do what I did. A very fond memory of when I was younger sitting and making a button frame with my mom one Halloween evening. We were done with all of our candy and things like that, and I was too scared to answer the door with my dad and give trick-or-treaters candy because their scary costumes scared me. And it was later in the evening, so all the older kids were out and they had less cute and more scary costumes, and I was very young. I think I was, I don't know, maybe 6. And so to distract me, my mom was like, hey, let's do a craft project. And we made a cute little button frame just out of cardboard. We didn't have a frame. So we just, she took a sheet of cardboard and cut a rectangle. Oh my gosh, I can't think of my shapes right now. A rectangle out of the middle, and then she used the hot glue gun because I was obviously very young, but I would just pick what button I wanted to go next. So she just grabbed a bag of buttons out of her sewing basket, and then I would just pick the next one, the next one, the next one, and she would glue it on for me. And I still have that frame to this day. this was definitely a very relaxing project. Normally, when I'm making things or being crafty, I'll have some relaxing music on or maybe put on a comfort movie in the background. You know what I mean by comfort movie, that movie you've seen 100 times and could quote almost every line, but it just brings you comfort or makes you smile or brings feelings of nostalgia and memories of easier days. But yeah, this project was perfect because you didn't really have to think too hard. You could let your mind wander as you placed one button after another and watched your artwork slowly come together. In the day I made these, it was raining outside, so it just made it more cozy and really was a perfect rainy spring day for crafting. When I showed this frame to Mr. Joyful Habits, he mentioned it reminded him of rocks on the bottom of a riverbed. And I loved that description, so I consider this frame a definite success. Now this next frame is definitely going to be a little more colorful and bright. This bag of buttons I found at a thrift store just like this in a baggie for 50 cents or something like that. And at the time, I didn't know exactly what I was going to do with them. I just knew I loved the colors and they really jumped out at me from the shelf. So I took them home, and this was about 3 years ago, so it's definitely been a little while. And they've just been chilling with my crafting supplies, but now today we are finally going to put them to use. Some of the buttons are clear, some are solid colors, all different shapes and sizes, so I really tried to layer the buttons, putting some of the clear ones on top of the solid ones, some of the little ones on the big ones, and so forth. And I just really wanted to make it, fun. And again, going for that kind of spilling over look. These frames would make wonderful gifts for birthdays, holidays. You could theme them around the holiday, or even Mother's Day, Father's Day. You could get buttons that, are the favorite color of the person you're giving it to, or add some little charms in with the buttons. Honestly, there are so many directions you could go with these just using buttons. And as I always say, the possibilities really are endless. I just really love the charm that these buttons add to the frame. It just looks so charming. I don't really know how else to describe it. It's just charming. Well, friends, thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope this video has inspired you to go get crafty and maybe make a button frame of your own. Do be careful though. Don't burn yourself like I did. That really hurt. And I actually still have the blister from that hot glue burn. So yeah, don't burn yourself. I definitely did a number on my poor thumb. My hands, I feel like, are just getting more and more scarred as the years go by with just cuts and scrapes and burns, and that's okay though. I guess that just shows that I've done a lot with these hands and I've been very busy in life, or accident prone, but we're gonna think positive about this. And if you're interested in sneak peeks, behind the scenes, bloopers, that sort of thing, and lots of other fun perks, check out the information to become a Joyful Habits member in the description box below. I'd love to see you there. And as usual, my name is Bethany, and this is Joyful Habits, where we daydream and add just a touch of whimsy to the ordinary. I'll see you all very soon in my next video, and until then, keep smiling. Bye, friends. My hair is like not fully dry from my shower, and I don't know if that's unprofessional.